There are moments in life when everything seems to fall apart, and then God shows up. It was just another ordinary day for Sarah, a single mother of two working double shifts to keep food on the table. Bills were overdue. Her youngest child had a fever, and she hadn't eaten a proper meal in 2 days. She was exhausted, mentally, physically, and spiritually. She knelt beside her bed that night, hands trembling, eyes filled with tears. "God, I don't know how much more I can take. Please help me. I can't do this alone." It wasn't a loud prayer. It wasn't poetic. But it came from a broken heart, and God listens to those. The next morning, she got a call from a local church. They said someone anonymously donated money to help a struggling mother, and somehow they chose her. Not just for groceries or rent, but enough to cover her bills for 3 whole months. Enough for medicine. Enough for peace. She cried, not because of the money, but because she knew this wasn't random. This was God. God who saw her tears in the darkness. God who heard her whispered prayer. God who moved hearts, orchestrated moments, and sent help right on time. That, my friend, is what a miracle looks like. It's not always thunder from heaven or parting seas. Sometimes it's quiet, personal, timed perfectly. A whisper of hope when you need it most. You may be in a dark place right now. You might feel forgotten. But let this story remind you, God still works miracles, and yours might be closer than you think. Just keep believing, keep praying. He sees you, He hears you, and He is never late. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs encouragement today. And remember, miracles still happen.